A doctor from a Japanese university made a discovery that could change the lives of people aged 25 to 65. What she reveals at the end will alert everyone. Look at what she says about these fruits. Take kiwi, for example. Studies have shown it's as good as an apple a day for maintaining blood pressure. Not to mention that it improves sleep quality, is good for the heart, and promotes intestinal health. Or grapes, in a study of 69 people with high cholesterol, it was shown that consuming just 500 grams of purple grapes a day helps reduce bad cholesterol. Then there's strawberries, which, if not loaded with condensed milk, can help with lung care, control diabetes, and even prevent cancer. And let's not forget about bananas, which aid in supplying tryptophan in the blood, protect against gastritis, provide energy for daily activities, and alleviate PMS symptoms, while coconuts benefit heart and brain health. Avocado, rich in lutein, aids brain function and is a source of omega-3, recommended for heart health. Moreover, it promotes a feeling of fullness, reduces appetite, and aids in weight loss. It seems simple, and it is. The more real food you eat, the more different colors you choose, the more certain you are of consuming all the nutrients you need for a long life. But doctor, should I eat only fruit all day then? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Hold on. According to an American doctor, balance is key. Fruits, although in smaller quantities, also require moderation as they contain a lot of fructose, the sugar in fruits, and as you know, excess of anything is harmful. Now, folks, take note of this recipe for those who struggle to get out of bed and face the day. For those dealing with low energy levels, this recipe is excellent. Ingredients: 2 slices of pineapple, 1 kiwi, 250 milliliters of cold water, and 1 tablespoon of collagen. Chop the pineapple and kiwi, then place them in a blender. Add the water and collagen and blend until smooth. Transfer everything to a glass, and now, enjoy. For those lacking energy, this juice is incredible. You'll have much more energy, much healthier, and get ready for illnesses to stay away from you. This juice is amazing, and I'm sure you'll thank me 1,000,000 times. Tell me, which of these fruits mentioned is your favorite?